Let's tap on the forward button for the vehicle to move. Collect all plants to complete the level. Hooray! Here we are! Let's apply mineral fertilizer into the soil. First, let's remove the remains of dry plants. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble a covered truck. Ready. And now we need to fuel the covered truck. Pump. Keep it up. Let's drag the hook to the cargo to load it into the vehicle. Amazing! We made it! Keep it up! Press the pump. Amazing! Let's prepare the seeds and sow the field. Tap the screen to keep building. Let's connect the wires by their colors. Done! Did it! Drag the hook to the cargo to hang it. Drag the hook to the cargo. Keep it up. Let's fertilize wheat sprouts. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Hooray! First, let's assemble a tree planting machine. Ready. And now we need to fuel the tree planting machine. Amazing! Let's plant the young trees. Tap on the screen to make the machines continue to work. Tap on the screen to make the machines continue to work. Tap on the screen to make the machines continue to work. Tap on the screen to make the machines continue to work. Let's water the trees so that they produce good fruits. We need to wash the sprayer truck. Done! Dry branches prevent trees from growing. Let's remove all the excess branches. You're doing really great. Let's pollinate the flowers on the trees to get a rich harvest. Let's check the ripeness of the oranges before we harvest them. We need to wash the soil sampling car. You're doing really great. We need to assemble a tree shaker. Done! Let's fuel the tree shaker. Done! Let's harvest oranges. We need to wash the tree shaker. Done! Let's assemble a tractor with carriage. Keep it up. Let's fuel the tractor with carriage. Done! Let's choose the ripest oranges to make juice. Let's wash the tractor with carriage. Ready. Let's assemble a covered truck. Ready. Let's fuel the covered truck. Amazing! Let's bring the fruits to the juice processing plant. We need to wash the covered truck. Hooray! Let's assemble a forklift. Done! First, let's fuel the forklift. Put the refueling gun in the tank. Put the refueling gun in the tank. Hooray! Let's wash the oranges before we start making the juice. And now let's wash the forklift. Keep up the good work. First, let's assemble a truck. That's all. Let's fuel the truck. Keep up the good work. Let's bottle the finished juice. Let's wash the truck. We did it! We need to assemble a market truck. Drag the part to the right place. Hooray! And now we need to fuel the market truck. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's deliver the finished orange juice. Great! Now everyone is welcome to drink orange juice.